Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of the most viral face cleansing balms. That's the best to remove your makeup, creative makeup, body paint, basically anything, it's going to take it off. So this is the JunoCo cleansing balm. I actually have used this. I just restocked on 2 more because they're really good and they just had a really good promotion right now. Anyways, I've been doing makeup for a very long time and I have come across cleansers that are like top notch, and this is one of them. So I'm going to show you here. This is the container. It's like a lighter yellow color. It has a very distinct smell to it. It smells like orange citrus. It's very, very thick. It comes with a little spoon here that you can use to scoop out the products. Basically, all you're going to do is take this on your hands. I'm just going to scoop it onto my hands here. I just put it in here and right away it melts into like a butter. And then you can go ahead and take everything off and it just glides off. Super, super smooth. Okay, so you can see it's like effortless. I'm gonna take this lash off. So you can definitely see the difference, and then you just take a towel. You can just go to the sink and use warm water and then just take it right off. Okay, and as you can see, that was super easy. Everything is off of my skin, nothing's left. So now let's do a little speed up. Okay, so that is the end result with just using the cleanser and then a little bit of water and a towel. But I do still have to go and shower and get any little pieces off. Really what's left is just the Elmer's glue on the eyebrows, which that only comes off with warm water. Just wanted to show you that because a lot of you do ask me how I take off my big creative looks, and really it's as simple as that, just a good cleanser. This is definitely one of my top faves, and let me know in the comments if you have tried this. I feel like a lot of people have because it did go viral. Let me know what you think, and that is it, guys. Like always, if you want to help support me and my channel, you can like this video, leave a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.